Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to add new black peppercorn into your Cole and Mason pepper grinder. So first you want to grab the grinder and we will pull off the top. That should come off and that will open the reservoir. Next you want to take your new black peppercorns. I'll have a link in the description below for some if you need some. And we can pull off the side that has the shaker top and just dump them in. All right, once you have the new peppercorns in, all you have to do is take the top and you just want to line this little hole up with the metal part in the middle. And once it's in there, you can feel it kind of grab and then push down, click in, you're good to go. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.